Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button as well as that little bell so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. I am really excited to introduce my summer picnic bundle that I've created for MyScrapChick. This bundle is packed with goodness. In this bundle, there are 5 separate files that are perfect for the summertime or any time throughout the year. Plus, you'll have wonderful gift box ideas. In your file, you will receive this soda card, this fun sandwich gift box, and upon first glance, it just looks like a normal sandwich. However, when you take the lid off, it's a fun gift box that you can fill with candies, treats, embellishments, or any small gift. You will receive this Lattice gift basket, and this basket is extremely versatile. You can use it anytime throughout the year, and it could be decorated in any theme. For this basket, I've used a nautical beach theme. Both sides of the basket open up, and as you can see, there is a large space inside to fill with fun goodies. You will also receive this adorable strawberry carton. In the carton, I have these fun strawberry treat boxes which are filled with Lindor chocolate truffles. However, you can fill this with any special treat that you like. And last but not least, we have this adorable chip bag. I think this is so much fun, very easy to make, and it can be customized for any occasion. I have created individual tutorials for each of these products, as well as a product link on MyScrapChick, which I will include in the description box below. MyScrapChick is hosting a special promotional offer for the Summer Picnic Basket Bundle. Now through the end of August, you can purchase a basket for only $5 and you'll get all of these fun files that I've just shared with you. You may also purchase the individual files if you like, which include the picnic basket, the soda pop card, sandwich box, chip bag, and the strawberry patch. Included in the strawberry patch, you will receive the carton with the strawberry treat box, a strawberry card, as well as additional strawberry shaped tags. Also, please join the Summer Fun Challenge event hosted by MyScrapChick. To participate, you must be 18 years or older. All you have to do is decorate the Lattice Picnic Basket in any theme you like. It could be Halloween, Valentine's Day, fall, Christmas. We just want to see your fun, creative, and out-of-the-box ideas. You must also be a visible subscriber to my channel, Robyn Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. When we select the winner, we will also verify that you are a visible subscriber to this channel. Last but not least, you must post 3 photos of your picnic basket on the MyScrapChick Makers group on Facebook. I will be sure to include both a link to the MyScrapChick online store as well as their group on Facebook, where you will find additional details about this contest. This concludes my review of my summer picnic basket bundle. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up and also leave a comment. I also hope you decide to participate in the MyScrapChick Summer Fun giveaway. All you have to do is decorate a picnic basket, and you could be the lucky winner of a $25 online credit to ASC Craft Supplies. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.